Have you ever tried to save money and failed? You set a goal, you stay motivated for a week, and then life happens. The problem is not you. The problem is your system. Today, we will break down 3 smart money habits that actually work. Habit 1. Guideline automation. Most people save whatever is left at the end of the month. The truth is, nothing is ever left. Automation flips the order. You pay yourself first, before you spend $1. Set a rule. The day your paycheck lands, a fixed percentage moves straight into savings. Another slice moves into investments. What stays in checking is what you are allowed to spend. No willpower required. No monthly decision required. The system saves for you while you sleep. Start with 10% if that feels safe. Push it to 15%, then 20% as your income grows. Automation removes emotion from the equation, and emotion is exactly what kills most savings plans. Which brings us to habit 2, the emotional bank. Money is not just math. Money is mood. Every purchase you make is tied to a feeling. Stress, boredom, excitement, insecurity. That late-night online order is not really about the product. It is about the emotion underneath it. The emotional bank technique works like this. Before you spend, pause and name the feeling. Are you buying because you need it or because you feel something? If it is emotion, write it down instead of swiping the card. Studies show that simply naming an emotion reduces its power over your behavior. This single habit can block hundreds of impulse purchases a year. You are not cutting joy out of your life. You are cutting leaks out of your wallet. Now here is where it gets powerful. Habit 3. Not now, but later. This is the mindset behind real wealth. Most people chase instant gratification. Wealthy people delay it on purpose. Why? Because of the future value formula. Future value equals present value times 1 plus the rate of return raised to the number of years. Let me show you what that means. Skip a $200 impulse buy today. Invest that $200 at an average 8% return. In 30 years, it becomes over $2,000. Now imagine doing that every single month. $200 a month, compounded at 8% for 30 years. That is nearly $300,000. From money you would have spent on things you cannot even remember. That is the math behind not now, but later. Every dollar you delay spending is a dollar that works for you. But there is one final trap to avoid. Ego saving. This is when saving becomes a performance. You brag about hitting $10,000 in your account. You obsess over the round number. You leave it in low-interest cash because it feels safe and impressive. Meanwhile, inflation eats it alive. Real wealth is quiet. It is invested. It is compounding. It is not sitting in a screenshot you show your friends. Do not save for your ego. Save for your future self. So let us recap. Automate your savings so the system does the work. Use the emotional bank to stop spending on feelings. Apply the future value formula to delay gratification with purpose. And drop the ego, because compounding does not care how impressive your balance looks today. Smart money habits are not about earning more. They are about building systems that quietly make you richer every single day. Start with one habit this week. Your future self is already thanking you.